BabyBus.
Click here to subscribe.
Yahoo! Let's race. Okay. We're gonna catch up with you.
Wow, they're great!
Yeah, they are really good at skiing.
How cool! I wish I could ski like them. Katie, teach me how to ski. I want to be a good skier like them.
All right, first you need to learn how to keep your balance, and then... Are you okay?
Ugh, that really hurts. Let's try again. Ouch! Ouch! It's so hard.
Everyone falls down while learning how to ski. You need more practice. Don't give up. Let's try again.
Okay. Yay! I can ski!
Are you okay?
Help me!
Let's go help him. Be careful.
I'm so sorry. It's all my fault. I'm really sorry. Are you all right?
I'm fine, Donnie. Everyone falls down while learning how to ski. That's right. Let's try again slowly. I'm sure you can do it.
But it's too hard for me. I'll never be able to do it.
Cheer up. I'll practice with you.
No thanks. I'll just go build a snowman or something. Huh? Are you okay?
I'm fine, thanks. I'm learning how to ski.
Huh? You don't know how to ski? I thought that every ice cream is good at skiing.
Everyone falls down while learning how to ski. It's okay to fall down. If I keep practicing, I'll be able to do it. Wow!
Wow!
Did you see that? I did it!
Great! I'll keep trying like you. Katie, can you teach me how to ski again?
Of course. Are you ready?
Yes, I'll never give up this time.
Let's learn how to ski. Come on, it's so much fun. Let's learn how to ski. Come on, it's so much fun. Don't be afraid to fail. You can do
Hey, watch out!
Thank you. It was awesome, Donnie. You saved the ice cream. You did it.
Yeah, and you ski very well.
Really? Yay, I can ski now! Yeah!
Hey! Ha! Oh, that hurts! Hey, where am I? Ow! 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 Hot! 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 Help! Let me out! Let me out! Let me out! Help! Help! Someone help me! Help! Help! Help!
What's going on?
Help! I'm melting!
It's chocolate! He's in trouble! Let's help him! We have to put the flames out! The flames? Look! We can use water to put the flames out! Watch me! It didn't move at all! What should we do? We're not strong enough!
I've got an idea. Come with me. Help me! I'm melting! Help!
Hold on! We're coming to help you! Oh no! The water is coming out!
Let me help you.
Great job!
Oh no! We're coming!
It's fixed! Let's save chocolate! Okay!
Yeah! Help! 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 Huh? Huh? Yeah! I'm saved! I'm saved! Whew! I almost turned into chocolate sauce. Thank you! Who are you?
We're Candy!
Where are your colors?
Huh? What happened?
Everybody, run away!
Red! I'm yellow!
Blue.
Purple. Red. Yellow. Blue. Green. And purple.
So Kiki tried to put colorful clothes on us.
Thank you, Kiki.
It's freezing cold. Where can I get something to eat? I'm so starving. Wow, yams! Pine cones?
A big snowball.
Whoa!
Look, it's a
It
snowman.
really is! But he doesn't have eyes or a nose.
Then let's add those for him. I'll do it.
Huh?
Huh?
Huh? It looks weird.
You guys are building a snowman?
Hi, Mr. Dow. Mr. Dow, look at the snowman we built.
There seems to be something wrong with his eyes. Now he looks much better. But he doesn't have a nose. You need to find something round and long.
Oh, I got it!
Hehe, I'll have a carrot to eat soon. Hehe.
Something long and round. It must be a bamboo. Huh?
What's taking them so long? Huh? They're coming.
Hank, look at this nose I found. It's very long. Look at this, round and fresh. Perfect for a snowman's nose. I think mine is better. Let me add this for him. Let me do it first. Look, isn't it cool? Huh? Mr. Dow! Look, we found a nose for the snowman. It's amazing, isn't it? Mine's better. Yours is too small.
Enough! Stop fighting! You're both wrong. The long, round thing I said was a carrot.
Oh, so it's a carrot. I know where it is. Take me with you.
Ugh, that hurts. Ugh. Ooh? It's a carrot!
Huh? Where is everybody? Let me add this nose for the snowman. The snowman! Ah!
found it.
Yeah, let's go.
Oh! Watch out! Move away!
Kiki!
Meow meow!
The snowman is rolling away!
And the carrot's gone too.
Oh no! It's heading for Mr. Dow's house! Oh, stop it! Oh no! It's too late! Right! Come on, please fly over the house!
Carrot?
Whoa! A beautiful snowman!
Wow, it's beautiful! But there's still no nose on it.
Wow! Mr.
That's awesome!
Dal, I'm home. Huh? What are you? Huh? A carrot. Actually, I am hungry. Thank you, Dal.